In today's video, I'm going to teach you Autoflow Figma plugin for user flow. If you've ever struggled to map screens, decisions, and pathways in a clear, consistent way, this is going to make your workflow faster and a lot more organized. Autoflow is a popular Figma plugin that automatically draws flow arrows between objects, which makes it ideal for creating user flows, sitemaps, and diagrams without the usual hassle of manually drawing and maintaining connectors. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the frames or elements you want to connect. Next, press Ctrl-K to open Quick Actions. On a Mac, that's Command+K. In the search that appears, look for Plugins, type Autoflow, and select it from the results to run the plugin. Once it's running, you are ready to connect your objects. Here is the core interaction that makes Autoflow so efficient. Hold Shift and select two objects in the order you want them connected. The plugin instantly creates a clean connecting line between them. This line is smart. It repositions itself as you move frames or components around, so your flow stays intact even as your design evolves. That adaptability is especially helpful when you are iterating on layouts or reorganizing entire sections of a user journey. You can connect frames, shapes, or any objects you've placed on the canvas, and the connector will snap to sensible anchor points for a tidy, readable flow. Autoflow also supports custom styles, so your flows can match your project's look and improve clarity at a glance. You can adjust colors to differentiate paths, increase or decrease thickness for emphasis, and choose terminal shapes, like arrows or circles, to clearly indicate direction and endpoints. Use higher contrast colors for key paths and lighter tones for secondary branches to avoid visual clutter. When flows get dense, a slightly thinner line weight can help keep the diagram legible without losing meaning. As you work, keep an eye on spacing between frames. Consistent gaps give Autoflow more room to route lines cleanly. If you rearrange sections, don't worry about broken connectors. The plugin's auto-updating behavior keeps links intact and readable. This lets you stay focused on structure and intent rather than micromanaging paths. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.